What is going on here? What are you doing up here? Answers now. Oh my gosh.
You get on video now, Russ?
What's that?
Just get on video now?
Yeah. Uh-oh. My roof rack is stuck. Oh, I got it though. There's a root in there that's fine.
Yeah, see, that's what my truck looks like, all with all the dirt on it. It was his first scratches. You still in this bridge, Russell?
Huh?
You still in the bridge?
Here we are, just crawling about the lifted and gifted RC obstacle course. Can they make it? Or are they not? Let's find out from this brand new clean rig. RC Greg's getting down in the tunnels. Followed by his twin brother. And the Capra. Why not a red cat? Screw it. Yeah, there's somebody in there.
Oh, there's somebody in there?
Russell, you just brought a car.
Yeah, dude.
What?
He fucking stepped on a board that had a fucking screw coming out of it and had it stuck to his shoe.
No way.
Shit,
You turn it over?
It's sitting on the table.
What the heck?
Yeah.
All right, Eric, I didn't know you were in there.
You see the lifted and gifted logo, baby.
How'd it do with these tires?
Yeah, look at
I
that.
don't know. It's the first
Look
time
at
I
that
ever
tire.
drove the
Look-
truck.
look
It
at
did
that.
okay.
Squishy.
Fair.
But my
How
axle's
squishy that tire is.
What happened?
Oh yeah, a little to the left.
Squeeze it.
Little
Look
to,
it.
oh yeah, that's the stuff.
What are they?
Thanks,
Touching
guys.
it.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, is that those?
SCX 24 Gladiator putting in some work on the big boy course. And then we got the Vanquish chassis, yeah, racing thrown together, wonder. But let's get back to this little guy. Too cool. Makes it look easy, don't it? Now let's get back to this guy. Come on down. That's the 85 Proline Toyota body. SSD rims. And I'm trying to flip this guy over, but it's not in my favor. He's a little heavy. I'm a little light. But this is fun. Here we go for the wind up and the pitch. And it is good. The crowd goes wild. slow motion looks so good. Am I wrong? Drop a comment below. You see that Arapica Sandhill Crawler logo, baby. Yeah, representing. Would you just look at that? I mean, would you just look at that? That is a fine looking mule there, buddy. I just can't get enough of this little guy. Pretty amazing little dude. He was right there with us. This is a special little path I designed just for the 24 course that I will be incorporating into the bigger course. Oh boy, just to the left of him, that's the tunnel way down below. I hope he don't fall.
You gotta say that turtle on it.
Huh? Dead?
Yeah.
Ah. Move aside.
I was just about to move it over there.
Whoa! Going for the Gusco over here.
Whoa. We are all trained professionals here. Do not try this at home, guys.
The Castle Copperhead ESC and the Holmes Hobbies Trailmaster Pro 2700 kV.
Oh man, it wants to so bad.
Try hugging to the left a little more, like closer to the edge of the chain link maybe.
Oh, in the abyss.
Start to disappear.
It ain't gonna go up there.
Oh, come on. I mean, look, it's so damn close, man. Huh? Oh, yeah. Man, it's so close, Daryl. Always, if it had a little more weight.
Roadhouse.
Make the body mounts how much.
I wonder, what does it look like under here? Ooh la la. I guess you can call me a peeping crawler. All three of these are Vanquishes, Phoenixes, and then we got the SCX-10-2 in the back. Come on, Phoenix. This is an awesome line to run right here. Gotta hug that real close to the fence line. It's a drop off to the left. There's some rocks that are loose. There's rocks that are stable. There's holes.
Whoa.
Be careful.
You got a hanger.
See, he fell off. Then it's a hard left and over the crest. We make it look easy though. A little bit further.
Let's go to the roof. Let's go to the roof. Hey, and then also, you know that,
What, jumping roofs? Oh yeah. We know that.
holy shit, you're ballsy. Oh, hey, you're good, though. You're good. Oh, we good. You landed on your roof. Oh, uh-oh. We should have sumo up here. Yeah, don't move.
That's why I'm not moving. That way I don't slide off there.
Just a bunch of rooftop kids hanging around. Staring at me, I'm staring at you.
Why'd you go last for?
Do something!
Lewis over here.
Alright, now I gotta get back up there.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, no, 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 no. Woo. Oh, no.
I'm turned all the way as left as I can go over. There we go.
You gotta power whoa it.
Power, dude. It just kept sliding and sliding. I'm like, it's gonna go off at some point.
Is your truck okay, Daryl? Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Good. Oh shit.
Oh.
It's in the 2-speed.
Oh.
Russell.
He drew me a picture. Uh-oh, you're out of my reach.
Touch me. Alright, Capra's a little stuck. Turtled out on the ledge. Give it a little finger action. There we go. Alright, up next to Cliffhanger SCX-10-2 build. Look at those rims. That is sick. Yeah, anodized green. I know it's a little blurry. I don't understand that completely. All day the camera was working great until I started doing the slow-mos. See if I can clean it. Nope. A little bit better. A little bit better. Come on, SCX-2. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get Go for broke. Just go for broke. Screw it. Go for broke. There you go. There you go. Maybe too much broke. Yeah. Oh, here we come. Woo! Up. Went the. Oh, you're supposed to go the other way. Yeah, that way, buddy. Yeah, it does. But that was pretty cool. That was pretty epic, though. Hell yeah, Phoenix. Always waiting to make an entrance and an exit. Here he goes, winding up. Gonna line her up. Let's see, that's about right there. Let's get about 3 football fields. And then we're gonna send this home to hobby motor. Yeah! Yeah, keep going. No, don't stop. Go, go, go. You can still go forward. Oh. Still put on a good show. Okay, boys. I think it's getting a little late here. You need to get the hell off my roof. No, seriously, get off my roof. Goodbye. Get out of here. Get, scam, squat, snack. Nice, nice. You want to see some more? We're going to be up here at this spot again. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to see this video.